Tired of digging through your wallet? Let's unlock a faster, easier way to pay with your Apple devices. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the icon that looks like a stack of cards. If you can't find it, swipe down on your home screen and use the search bar to type Wallet. Now, let's add a card. Tap the plus sign, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. You may be prompted to use your camera to scan your card, or you can enter the details manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. Time to make a purchase. In stores, look for the contactless payment symbol to pay with your iPhone. Double-click the side button. This activates Face ID. Glance at your phone to authenticate with Face ID, or use your passcode. If prompted, your card will then appear on the screen. If you're using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button. Your default card will appear. Ready for payment. Hold your device near the payment terminal until you see a checkmark or hear a confirmation sound. Apple Pay also works online. Look for the Apple Pay button on participating websites and apps. Tap the button, verify your shipping and billing information, and confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. It's that simple. Enjoy the speed and security of Apple Pay. Now that you know how to pay using Apple Pay, you will never have to search through your wallet for cash or cards. This process makes paying for items easier, faster, and safer.